Tonight, the world is shaking, celebrating, and fighting back. Here are the stories blowing up your feed, right now. India's women just wrote history. Harmanpreet Kaur smashes an unbeaten 92 and lifts the Women's World Cup for the first time in 42 years. Mumbai's streets. Pure euphoria. But 3,000 miles away, Afghanistan trembles. A 6.8 quake buries villages. 150 gone, and rescue drones are racing the clock. In Tanzania, 98% election win. Opposition says rigged. Protesters storm parliament. Internet blacked out. 20 dead and counting. Hurricane Melissa just gutted Jamaica. 10,000 homeless. Usain Bolt's rallying the world. Send help. Now. Meanwhile, Shohei Ohtani launches a ninth-inning moonshot. Dodgers snatch the World Series in Game 7. Memes. Already undefeated. And in Portland, someone's sticking giant googly eyes on statues. Abraham Lincoln. Now blinking. The internet's losing it. But danger's real in the UK. A train derails in the Lake District. Landslide or sabotage. 2 in custody. Finally, Egypt's Grand Museum opens after 20 years. King Tut's mask. In your face. Virtual tours. Already sold out. The world never sleeps. Which story hits you hardest? Drop it below. This is Viral Updates. Stay loud.